safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐿. I hope you're all doing well. Let's jump into today's install and review. Today we have to give a warm welcome to today's hair sponsor, Omgherhair. Hope you stay a while.
Don't let your hair get in the way.
Today what I have installed is a 22-inch fitted cap glueless elastic drawstring highlighted glueless 360 lace wig. This comes with the fitted cap.
Don't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try
I like to put my wig on by rolling the top portion down and then taking it, putting it over my forehead, adjusting my band. Perfect. We pull those straps, you should feel it getting tighter in the back. And then we just tuck them inside. When it comes to 360 wigs, you usually have to cut something. Baby, you don't have to do a damn thing, okay? Everything is done for you. And that wig is not moving anywhere. So we're gonna leave her glueless today. All right guys, I'm gonna recurl my wig. I personally like using this curling iron because it gets really hot. So it curls the wig very fast, which I need. The curls are always gonna be better when you pin it. A lot of times I don't pin it because I'm just lazy.
Sometimes I fall.
Okay guys, I'm gonna put some powder on my part just to open it up. I already started.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it.
This is the powder I'm using. It's like a nude eyeshadow palette. You can use concealer, you can use foundation, or you can use powder like I'm using today. Really whatever you have on hand. Okay. What do we think? This is just the more defined look. I even added some sideburns here.
Keep it in here, don't knock it before you try being on your own side.
Because this is a Yaki texture, it mimics our natural hair texture. You know, it's giving silk press. It's giving, you got a blowout. Like, I am loving it. It's just natural girl vibes. As I get older, I still want to look cute, but I also want to be classy and wear styles that look realistic and that feel true to me. And this style definitely does. Omgherhair definitely delivered with this wig. I am so impressed with this unit. Beautiful hairline, pre-plucked. You just literally put it on and then you adjust those little straps and that is it, guys. You get a beautiful wig that you can also wear in an updo. And before I go, of course I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in an updo, but I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like fully styled in like its natural style, like, you know, how you would wear it out most likely. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail so you guys can see.
Before you try being on your own side for once.
I'm gonna grab my first ponytail and then do it in the halfway section. We grab all the extra stuff and put it into that ponytail. Okay, when you gather everything up, combine the two ponytails together. I like to pull the little hairs down around where the lace area is. And that's it. That is all for today. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. I suggest you check them out. Catch you guys later in another video sometime soon. Bye.